Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to talk about the basic rules when it comes to building an expert advisor. Now, I will be talking about this on MetaTrader 4, so let's begin. So guys, when you're creating a trading robot, what you guys want to do is basically set your rules up first. Now, I know a lot of people don't do that. They like to just program and go, but it is best to understand how the robot is made and then program from that. Basically structuring your code so it's not basically out of order, or it actually can be made sense and someone else can understand it. So if you're making it, you can do something like this, guys. So let's make the first rule in programming, and you can program like this in sections, okay? So the first rule will be rule 1. Rule 1, entering buy trades, for example. So entering buy trades. And then on rule 2, you can be entering sell trades. So you can modify your code like this, entering sell trades. And then you could be on rule 3, modifying open trades. So if you guys structure your code like this, it will help you out to stay organized and stay within, the realm of like, why is my trade messing up? Why is it doing X, Y, and Z? You can do stuff like this, or you can just keep on adding more rules so you can stay organized. So you'd be like this. Rule 4 will be exiting trades. How to exit your trades, how to enter your trades, what to do during certain types of consolidation, what happens when you're like on a losing streak. You can actually create a rule area for losing streaks like this. When trading robot is losing. So just say you're on a bad losing streak, your robot take 5 losses, or your account's down certain percentages. You guys can create a rule set in here that basically can, say, hey, next couple trades, do it at different lot sizes, or start modifying your indicator so it can be traded a little bit faster or a little bit slower, but have a little bit of flexibility in your code so it can be able to like learn a little bit. Now, if you do stuff like this, what also will help you is that if someone's reviewing your code, hence myself, I know what I'm reading. I don't like going through a whole bunch of code and I'm like, what is going on? It's like 500 lines of like, yeah. You can add some lines of code just explaining what's happening. Or if you want to make it easier on other people, you can do it like this, like I'm showing you. And here's another example, okay? You can just do something like this, like rules, right? Because this has happened to me now a couple times this week when I'm talking to other clients and their code is kind of funny, It's kind of like I'm reading to it. They're new to programming, which is fine, but they're just like skipping their own rules. So you guys can write rules like this and then create your functions, create your code like this, and also it can be very organized. And if you wanted to do it also, you can just put this in your about page so people understand what's happening. So rule number 1. It'd be like this. Only trades at 5 p.m., for example. Right? Rule number 2. Only trades, let's say, JPY pairs, or yen pairs, okay? Rule number 3. Only trades, I don't know, say trades trends. Trades and looks for trends. So when you're programming these rules out, you can actually write them down and put notes right here so people can read it like, okay, this is rule number 2, all the code for rule number 2. Rule number 3, all the code for 3. And this will make it so much easier for people to understand. and also fix your code. So if there's an error, just go to rule number 5, and you actually can do what I have done on all my code is put like little hot links here, little bookmarks. So when someone's looking for rule number 2, just say, hey, you can skip right down to there, okay? Using that. And that's like, basically all you have to do is either hit Control F2 or double click it and hit bookmarks. See? Toggle bookmark. Control F2, okay? And this will help you out, like, just make things so much easier in programming, understanding how your code works. If you came back to your code after some X amount of time, you know what you're looking at. And, I mean, you can even add, like, avoids low ATR areas. And you'll program that in there as a function so people can understand that. Or 5 would be also enters on pullbacks or possible pullbacks. On trends. See? You can do that and make it so much easier for yourself. You can have so much more control over your code. And let's finish it off with this rule. Checks the news, like Forex Factory, checks the news for any yen, so JPY currency related issues. So if it's like a red day or orange day or green day, basically like it's like the severity of the day of the news, then it can either avoid trading or take trades. So you put avoid trading or takes trades. Or you can look at entering aggressive trades, stuff like that. But if you're creating rules, it will make things so much easier for yourself. So once again, guys, if you're looking for all this code or information, just head to my website, Andre J. McClendon. Go to the right side if you're on like a web terminal or or if you're on your phones on the left. But just click on MetaTrader 4 and 5. All this information I'm giving you guys is free, and I'm not charging any of it. If you want to customize robot, customize indicator, like things that require actual work that for me to provide for you, then you're gonna have to pay if you want to do that. If you want me to look at your code, same exact thing, guys. So if you want to take the trading courses, it's all free, okay? Once again, any questions, comments, please drop them below. I'll answer them as much as I can. And please like, share, and subscribe. Helps out the channel, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video.